Island of Venice. The play revolves around the young man Antonio who borrows money from cruel moneylender Shylock. And as for if he failed to pay the money, Shylock would entitled to take a pound of flesh from Antonio's body.
Unfortunately, Antonio fails to repay the money. The case is taken to the court. Portia pleading for Antonio and the principal of church and
Is Antonio here? Yes, I am here, sir. I feel sorry for you. You have come to face a ruthless enemy without any feeling of mercy. They tell me you have did everything you can do to talk to him, but for me, there is no legal way to protect me from his malice. I just have to take what he will give me, and I am ready to suffer his cruelty and anger. One of you go and call the Jew into the court. Are you Shylock?
Shylock is my name.
Shylock, everyone thinks, and I agree that you are here to pretending cruel. They think at last second you will be mercy and pity. Even though you are here to collect a penalty pound of poor merchant's flesh. But out of humanity and love, we all forgive you. We all expect a nice answer from you, Shylock.
On what compulsion must I tell you that I will take all my responsibilities and all my decisions to fulfill this bond?
How can you hope for mercy when you don't even render any now?
When I intend to do this one, the holy of birth, it is due to according to our bond. If you refuse me to do so, your city free and character are endangered. It is mine, and what should I do? I don't have to give you the answer what you like.
I have the authority to dismiss the court unless the Valerius comes.
My lord, the messenger is waiting outside with the letter from Valerius.
Bring us the letter, call the messenger.
Cheer up, Antonio. Keep up your courage, my friend. I will give up the Jew, my flesh, my bones, and my everything before you lose the drop of blood for me.
I am the one sick sheep in the flock, the one who deserved to die. But Bassanio, the best thing you can do is keep living and write an epitaph for my gravestone. This letter from Valerio introduced us a educator. Where is he?
Yes, my lord. Valerio sends his greeting.
With all my heart, I welcome you. Call the Balthazar till that you read this letter.
I have received your letter, but I am very sick at the moment, as it happened when your messenger came. A young lawyer from Rome was visiting me. His name is Balthazar. I told him about the case of the Jew and the merchant Antonio. He knows my legal opinion about this matter, and he has his own expert opinion. I am sending him in my place to answer your request to act as a judge. He is so young. I never knew such a young man with such a mature head. You will see how wonderful he really is. What a well-educated Valerio is.
Are you Balthazar? Did Valerio send you here?
Yes, my lord.
Are you familiar with this case?
Yes, my lord. Yes. Thoroughly, which one is the merchant and which one is the Jew?
Valerio and both of you come forward.
Is your name Shylock? Shylock. Shylock is my name. Your case is most unusual. He has a claim on you, merchant. Is it correct?
Yes, it is correct.
You acknowledge the bond then?
Yes, I do.
Then the Jew must show you mercy. Why should I accept rid of judgment when I have not done anything wrong? It is mine. Now I am going to get it. The quality of mercy is not state. It drops as a gentle rain from heaven. It is mightiest and mightiest. Therefore, you do justice in the course of justice. None of us should see salvation. We do pray for mercy. I have spoke this much to mitigate the justice which if you follow the strict court of fairness. Daniel has come to judgment. Young judge, I horn. Can't you give the money back?
Yes, I am offering to give you even twice the sum. If it is not enough, I want to give you 10 times and I will give my hands, head, my heart as security. If it is not enough, then step me as molestia.
Pay me 3 times and let the merchant go.
I beg you, Justice, it is in your authority to bend the law. Don't let this devil have his way.
It must not be. There is no power in the Venice that can change the degree. The change will be recorded as precedent. Many bad legal decisions will result. Then I am not here to argue anymore. Then now you have the right to cut off a pound of flesh from merchant's body nearest to his heart, but be merciful. Take thrice the money. No, he refused. He refused in the open court. He has only his justice and his penalties. According to the law, a foreigner indirectly or directly kills any person. The person which kills will receive the half of the property of a foreigner. Half of the property will go to the state. So much.
I want to see the difference between of a pardon. If you show up humility, I could less the fine.
Okay, don't pardon. You take my life, you take my property. I am not well. I am just leaving from here. Sorry.